Your customer receives a transactional message saying, at times, messages containing your customer's details are transmitted through your messaging partner who sends them on your behalf. A bank, for instance, wants to refrain from this intervention and safeguard their customers' privacy. That's where Root Connector steps in. Root Connector's core application is installed at the bank's premise. The connector interacts with the bank's database. It fetches data and stores it in its own database. It further transmits messages, receives the delivery reports and archives the SMS data within the bank's premise, prohibiting its access to others. The application works seamlessly with your ID systems and Root Mobile's messaging platform. It gives you an option to encrypt connection using HTTP or SMTP over SSL or TLS. Banks can also whitelist their IP address, thereby securing their database and maintaining complete control of managing messages. With less human intervention, automate your messaging process, secure your database within minutes, thereby protecting your customer privacy. Root Connector is a captive installation, managed and secured by Root Mobile. Get Root Connector today.